What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
So hold on tight, friends.
Wow!
Whoa. Is it the whale?
Oh my goodness, we're gonna be slowed up when my friend launches the whale. Trying to see.
Hello?
Oh my goodness. It's so warm in here. Oh my gosh. We're gonna stay here. Monstro. Does anyone see whale? Yes, friends, most stories start by turning a page or when you look, but our story's going to start by getting swallowed up by Monstro the whale, and he's taking us all the way to Storybook Land.
Where are we going?
Oh my, I love stories. I'll tell you guys.
We're in Storybook Land.
Made it. Once upon a time, there was
the little
a bad wolf that lived in a teeny tiny cave on the dark side of the mountain there. But don't worry, friends, there's three little trees. There's a house made of hay, a house made of sticks, and a house made of wood, and everything. On the other side of the water.
Hi, Doc.
Just around the room, friends, we're going to be approaching the point. This is where Alice and her older sister like to swim and read books. Well, this is where Alice likes to take naps and her older sister likes to read books. But it looks like it's nighttime.
That's Alice.
But oh my, I think Alice went down the rabbit hole again. Down, where things are getting fiercer and furiouser by the moment.
No, not that one, the one in front of her.
Yes, this is London Park. This is where Peter Pan flies Winnie, John, and Michael whenever they go to Neverland. And of course, Tinkerbell, that's what's under her picture that's behind her.
Small or big?
It's small.
Would you look at that? We're approaching the grand, the beautiful, the mysterious city of Agrabah, home to Princess Jasmine and Aladdin. Thanks to Genie's help, of course. She taught Aladdin to be true to himself, and now he lives happily ever after with Princess Jasmine in the Sultan's palace. Yes, friends, all of our stories in Fairyland are full of love and light. Such bright golden arches. These are the same golden arches that Princess Jasmine was soaring silent over and under, coming out of the paradise, the golden world.
Where are we going? We're on a storybook ride. It's right there.
Yes, friends, love swimming here in Storybook Land. It's so beautiful, but we also have our darkness. So we have a little dark side to us as we enter the forbidden cave of wonders. Don't touch any of the treasure, friends. It's cursed. But look, the genie has left his way for us to make a wish. So make your wish, friends. I wish to get out of this spooky cave. Oh, it's so scary here. And my wish came true. If you look to the right side of the boat, friends, looks like we made it to the forest. Oh, it's the seven dwarf cottage. I think she's probably getting dinner together for the seven dwarfs, which are going to be close in the mind in just a few moments. I think they're still hard at work. Can you hear them? Then hear them. Speaking of working princesses, if you look on the other side of the water, if you look at that little white house around the blue roof, that's the roof that
Those are ducks.
it's the ducks. Before they had together happy ever after, but her pumpkin fairy still sits up there. Oh my, I think she's trying to get home. Hurry! It's not midnight yet, you can make it.
There goes the ducks. They're flying up like that's fine.
Yes, friends,
Ducks
we're
flying,
with
yeah.
beautiful lights and colors, just like the colors of our patchwork quilts. This patchwork quilt inspired by the 1930s creativity show Love by Land.
The
It
what?
was sewn together by a giant. It's made
Up
of
here?
dozens of flower fields sewn together. So nice. I like it. Nice pumpkin
Dude,
quilt
there's a
there.
train.
Yes,
See the
friends,
train?
all the plants here on Storybook Land are full
That's
of
the Casey train.
all real. They're all real. There's little pixie dust because people don't see what's on it. What's on them is flowers. It's nice and bright all year long. And our tiny city London Park in Alice's Meadow never ever have to grow up. And would you look at that? We're approaching the grand estate of Jay Daddy. It's so cold around there. But it doesn't look like he's home at the moment. He's maybe not going for an evening ride to really nowhere in particular.
That's Toad's house.
Nobody's not even enough to take the rest of the song then. But right here, friends, it looks like we made it to the Casey.
I'll put you
Princess Queen Elsa and Princess Anna. Princess House is nothing more powerful than love. Not even all the ice and magic in the world. Speaking of ice and magic, I can get from your Elsa and your ice magic is your favorite song. Across the ocean there, friends, we see the icy alpine north of the Northern Dakota. I can even hear Dakota singing and dancing. Which came through and connected with all the ladies to the fairy. Okay, one last story, friends, about a little mermaid named. A little mermaid named. Ariel, that's right. She married her fans for season beach just like ours. Now she is happily ever after in Prince Eric Sea Castle. But before that, she was in Atlantica, just you in the water zone. With sea rays, I'll take a rest. Hey friends, look what your story has come to an end. Please take your hands inside the boat as a gift for us to that. Please keep your fingers on the